Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the cake size and packaging, remove any metal, and place the lava cake on a microwave-safe plate. Set power to 50% so edges warm slower than the center. This prevents rubbery texture. Once done placing it, loosely cover with a microwave-safe lid or damp paper towel to trap steam without sogginess. Begin with a 15 to 20 second pulse, then pause and check. This short burst approach gives you control and preserves that molten center. Once you've done the initial pulse, gently press the top to gauge temperature. You want the outer cake warm and the center still gooey. If the center feels cool, continue with 10 to 15 second bursts at 50% power, making sure to rotate the plate 90 degrees between bursts to avoid hot spots. Make small adjustments. Overcooking will firm the center, so shorter bursts are safer. Also consider lowering power to 30% for delicate or very small portions to prevent overbaking. You finish with a cautious 5 to 10 second burst if the center needs one last nudge. Then allow the cake to rest for 30 to 60 seconds so residual heat evens the texture and keeps the core molten. If the cake becomes too firm, add a few drops of water on top and reheat for 5 seconds at 30% power. This restores steam and softness. If edges dry, serve with sauce or ice cream. And remember, lower power plus short intervals is your friend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.